welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be playing Boba Tower, and yeah, I'm so excited. So I do ignore did one before. I do these videos all the time, but today I'm actually going to be posting this, so let's go. Taro, no, I was going to do this because purple is my first favorite color. No, I mean, my second favorite color. My first favorite color is blue, if you didn't know. And yeah, so my name is Galaxy, guys, if I didn't introduce that at first. I don't think so. Guys, I keep forgetting the intro because I just had to do the intro again because I was like right there, up there, and I had to do the intro again because I thought you guys like I didn't do the intro. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. I'm just being crazy today, going crazy. And yeah, so we're gonna talk. I'm making a story time video, but I don't think I'm gonna post that one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make like shorts to it, to my story time video. Should I do that, guys? Yeah, I think I'm gonna make shorts because I see some people make shorts, and I think shorts are like better instead of just posting videos, guys. Why shorts are better? It's because it's easier for you guys. Like if you don't want to. It's easier than doing a whole video because you don't have to like, you know how story times take about like a long time to do, and I don't want like to be wasting a lot of time, and if you just do a short, it'll be nice, and it has to be about a few seconds, so yeah. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do that, and I'll post it today, guys. Well, I'll let you know if I post it today. I probably will, most likely will. I'm posting this today, of course. Well, you don't know what day is it when I post it, so you don't know what today is. So I might post it tomorrow. I'll tell you the date. What today is, okay? So I can post it. Tomorrow is New Year's, so today is December 30th, and it's nice, but yeah, I don't know, should I post this short? Oh no, today's not December 30th, shoot, it's December 29th, I thought it was, oh my goodness, I'm sorry guys, I was lying, it's not December 30th, just letting you guys know. Yes, we're on the Boba part. We're almost, because last time on the Boba part, it's like the Boba leads to when we're almost done. Wait, was that a disappearing one? Oh no, it's not. It looks like it's a good disappearing one. I love these because they're so aesthetic and stuff. And like, they have every type of aesthetic. What the freak? Man. I'm stupid, guys. Oh my goodness, my socks match. Because I know that's not white. Why is my hair gray, guys? Alright, guys. This game is so fun because it's so relaxing, and I cannot wait to do that story time. And it's going to be so fun to post today. I don't know if I'm posting this today. I probably might post this on December 30th. And yeah. So I'm going to tell you guys. I'll let you know at the end of the video if I'm posting this on December 30th or December 29th today. So that's tomorrow. December 30th is tomorrow. Sorry guys. I should have just said tomorrow. I'll let you know if I'm posting this tomorrow. Oh, that was disappearing. Okay. So the other one's not disappearing, but that one gotta be disappearing. For y'all, I hate when they do that. Oh, shoot, I'm stupid. That's why it wasn't letting me up. Oh my, no. You have to, like, these ones, I hate that one because you have to, like, when you jump on it, these ones are so thin. I hate when they do that. No, that's not fair. At least it's not tied up. You know what? Because it dies. You die instantly. That's why I be like trying to level up, but like it never. I only have like 100 coins. Yes, we made it. Okay, guys. So bye. I'm looking forward to do another video like this. And yeah, guys, hit that subscribe button if you want to see me have hair. Wait, let's go remove my hair right quick. And yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do some thinking. I'll be right back. I'm back, and I decided that we'll play one more obby just because. For a second. Oh my goodness, I'm seeing something funny. Alright, so I just saw that thing, and should we do one more? Alright, so the orange one looks very small, the purple one tall, the Boba tea one very tall. The Boba tea one is the tallest one. Okay, so I think I'll call you guys. Bro, what am I talking about? Alright, guys. Bye, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Peace out.